Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name Tony.
Okay, Mr. Tony. How are you? Are you happy today?
Yes,
Okay, and how old are you, Tony?
I'm 6 years.
6 years old. Okay, all right. So, Tony, today we have speaking test. Are you ready for the test?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, all right. Okay, so Tony, at first we are going to talk about the vocabularies. Vocabularies, and the first topic is about clothes. Can you tell me, Tony, what is it?
It is pink dress.
Good. What is it?
It is green shirt.
This one.
It is red t-shirt.
And what are they?
Yellow trouser.
Yeah, and what color is it? What color are the trousers?
Yellow trouser.
Yeah, now you got it. What are they?
Yellow socks.
This one, what is it?
It is purple skirt.
Very good. And so, Tony, can you tell me what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing red t-shirt and brown trouser.
Good. Okay, let's move to the next part. We are going to talk about the body parts. Can you tell me, Tony, what is it?
Is one nose.
It's a nose, okay? All right. And how about this? What is it?
It is a chin.
Good. It's a chin. What is it?
Mouth.
Okay, all right, calm down. And what are they? Can you tell me what are they? They?
Eyes.
Yeah, they are
Eyes.
eyes, not eyes. Okay, and what are they?
Eyes.
Answer me in full sentence. What are they? They are
They are arms.
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 Right. And now, Tony, tell me, how many eyes have you got?
Two eyes.
2 eyes. Okay, not
Eyes.
yeah, try to talk slowly, okay? So, Tony, how many ears have you got?
Two ears.
All right. And how many fingers have you got?
10 fingers.
Okay, 10 fingers. And how about chin? How many chin have you got?
10.
No, how many chin you got? 1 or 2?
1 chin.
Good. All right. Okay. Let's move to the last part, the phonics one. So now you're gonna tell me the letter, the sound, and the word. Okay. What letter is it, Tony?
Letter capital.
No,
M.
you don't have to say
Letter
capital.
M.
Letter M. And how does M sounds?
Ma.
M for?
Ma.
Don't need to say. Tell me the
Monkey.
monkey. Yeah, good.
Mouth.
Mountain. Okay, not mount. This one, letter
N.
M sounds.
No. Night. Nut.
Good. Letter. What letter is it?
Letter O.
All right, calm down. And O sounds.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Orange.
Good. Orange. Octopus. Letter. What
P.
letter? Yeah, letter P. And how does letter P sounds? P is for?
Panda. Pink.
Good. Letter?
Q.
Q sounds? Q is for?
Queen. Question.
Not question. It's question, okay? Question. And letter
A.
R sounds.
Robot. Robot.
And this one?
Rubber.
Rubber. All right. Okay. Mr. Tony, well done. Great job.